Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Master English with Mr. Ridwan. Well, we continue to the next skill of the TOEFL structures. That's its skill 5. Okay, be careful of past participle. Okay, past participle. Make it different, yeah. Which one is present participle and which one is past participle. Okay, it's a little bit similar, but this one is a little bit difficult because there are many words or verb that can meet past participle. Okay, look at this. Same, yeah. Past participle can cause confusion in structured question on the TOEFL test because a past participle can be either an adjective or verb. It's same, yeah, with present participle. Okay, past participle is the form of verb that appear with have and a be. Okay, and in past participle there are two. If they have had met with have or be, it can be appear as a verb. Okay, or it often ends in ed, sometimes ed, yeah. But there's are also many irregular past participle in English. Okay, you may learn what is irregular past participle. Okay, sometimes we call them verb tree, yeah. Okay, for example, this is past participle as a verb. Okay, the family has purchased a television. Okay, this one has is a to have, yeah. You have to learn to have. Okay, how to use it. Okay, this is to have has to meet with past participle. Okay, the meaning, yeah, finished. Okay, the second is the poem meets with be. If the sentence meets be meets with past participles, we call them passive voice by Paul. Okay, the poem was written by Paul. Okay, there are two forms. Or if the past participle called as a appear as a verb, if they meet has and with participle, if they meet with was or be, was, were, is, are, with participle of or verb 3. Well, this one is the as a adjective. In the first sentence, the past participle purchased is part of verb because it is accompanied by has. Written is part of past 2 because it accompanied by was. Okay, a past participle is an adjective when it is not accompanied by some of verb be or have. Okay, same, yeah, with present participle. Okay, the television purchased yesterday was expensive. Okay, this one as a past participle is an adjective. Okay, because there is no be here or have. Okay, this is the subject, this is the verb, this is the subject, and this one is verb. Okay, is complete. The poem written by Paul appeared in the magazines. Okay, is it as a subject because there is no here be or have. This is the verb, this is the subject, is different with this one above. Subject, this one is verb. Subject, this one is a verb. Okay, let's to the next. Well, try to do it. Which one is the answer? A, B, C, or D? Okay, we try to find out first which one is subject and verb because we always try to find out subject and verb. Okay, this one is subject. Okay, we're looking for verb. Okay, we don't know this is verb or not. Okay, but we looking for again. Will arrive is a verb, so that we don't need has, have, or to be. We put here, we don't need its verb here. Okay, so number A is totally wrong. B totally wrong, we don't need it because will arrive already verb. Then what is this? No, because it's pronoun. Okay, it is, how to say, object of pronoun. Yeah, this one is, okay, this answered. Okay, D. Look at the conclusion. A past participle often ends in ed. Okay, often ends in ed. Okay, if regular verb, but irregular verb is not at the last, no ed. Yeah, have to try to memorize it. But there are also many irregular verbs, regular past participle. For many verbs, including ed verb, the simple past and the past participle are the same, can be easily confused. The either form of the verb can be a simple past, the simple past participle of a verb, or an adjective. This is the simple past. This is past participle if met with has or be. Okay, this one is as adjective because there is no be, there is no verb. Okay, you have to make different. Number 3 and number 1. This is past tense because subject verb, but this one not past tense, but it's an adjective because there is verb here. Okay, well, next we try to do exercise. Prepare your book, prepare your pen, and try to pause it. Let's do it together. Okay, finish. Yeah, well, I will explain first number 1. Number 1 is incorrect. Why is incorrect? Because there are 2 verbs here. Okay, so that you have to revise this so that this one will be as adjective, so that this subject, this one is verb. Number 2, correct. Okay, because this is the verb and this is the adjective, this is the subject. Okay, totally right. Number 3, okay, the number 4. Okay, number 3, the carpenters were tough, but okay, it can be, we look at, oh, there is verb will be. Will be is a verb, so that we don't need here be, so we have to erase be. Okay, this is the subject, this is the verb. It means that this sentence is incorrect. Number 3 is incorrect. Number 4, the loft, it is the subject. Okay, we're big. Okay, we don't know is it as an adjective or verb. We look at, okay, there is no verb. It means that is the sentence is right, is adjective. This one is verb. Oh, it's raining, guys. We'll try my voice. Well, number 5, the post. Okay, so the subject were rated, I don't know, is it as an adjective or verb. There is verb here as a verb. It means that this one is wrong. We have to revise where is subject, this one verb. Okay, number 5 is incorrect. Well, number 6, those suspected. Okay, this one is a subject. In the string of robbery were arrested by police. Okay, is those is a subject. Yeah, okay, it's right because only one verb here. Subject verb is incorrect. Number 7, the pizza is served Okay, the pizza is subject, is served in the restaurant. There is verb is. This means that we don't need is here. This means that serve is an adjective, so this sentence is incorrect. Number 8. The clues are listed on the second page of the verse have. There is a verb here and there is verb to here, so that this sentence is totally incorrect. So we have to erase here. This is the subject, this is the verb. Okay, number 9. All the tenants were invited. So all the tenants is a subject, were invited. I don't know, is it verb? Yeah, it's a verb because there is no verb until complex. So subject, verb. Number 9 is correct. Okay. Last number. Any bills paid by the first of the month. Is the sentence too totally correct. Any bills is the subject. Okay, paid is an adjective. Will be credited is a verb. So number 10 is correct. Well guys, try to do exercise. This skill is skill 1 until 5, so it is randomly. Okay, maybe number 1 is a skill 1 or a skill 2, I don't know. Maybe number 7 is skill 5 or a skill 3. Try to do it 1 until, look at 1 until 10. Okay, there are 20 items. Try to do it. If you understand what I have explained before, I'm sure you will not get mistake. There are 20 exercised. Okay, after you do it, I will explain a lot of exercise. This one, a lot of exercise. Okay, in the next video. Okay, for closing your pre-test. Okay, number 13. Number 13 is skill 5. Yeah, rubber. Okay, so the rubber is a subject. Okay, we try to find out verb. There is verb. There's verb is. So we not complete rubber and is. So number A is totally wrong because this is produce. What is that? Subject. No verb. Producing. No. Okay. The produce. No too because we don't need that. Yeah, we don't need to produce into. Okay, so that this answer is D. Produced is past participle. Okay, then this